I'm going to show you how to change the diffuser web in the Revoria PC 1120. We're going to open the diffuser area door, and then you can see here that it's locked at the moment, so we need to unlock it. So we'll turn the handle to the left and pull it all the way out. Now, because it's the diffuser, we've got some really labels here to say that it really is hot in here, so please be careful. And what you'll find is anything that is this color, beige, orange, is a CRU, customer replaceable unit. So you push down, and then you see that pops down, and then you've got two handles on here that you hold like that, and you lift it up as such. When you replace it with a new one, you can see here you've got a handle there and a handle there, which marries up with this and this in here. So then you grab the new one, that goes up in there, these handles go down, and then you lock it back into place. Hear the click. Like so. Push the diffuser module back in all the way, turn the handle to lock it, and you close the diffuser door, and that's how you change the diffuser web.